Ladies and gentlemen, good evening. You join us for this 10-over match between Australia and Sri Lanka. I'm Mike Atherton, and alongside me today is Mel Jones, Ali Mitchell, Ian Healy, and the one and only David Gower.
The home team winning the toss and have decided to bat first.
The umpire signals that we're ready to go. First ball of the innings about to be bowled.
Wait!
Quick onto that in the infield.
Lovely shot to start the innings.
Yep, good!
Nicely played. Perfect timing.
Nothing really wrong with the delivery. Got onto the front foot and found the space to get that one to the boundary.
Yes!
Timed that brilliantly.
The fielder could only pick that up off the boundary rope. Punched that away through the cover.
Yep!
Got all of it, and for 6.
That's a brilliantly aggressive shot. Gets onto the front foot and it's flown over the boundary.
Hasaranga, the spinner, coming into the attack.
Leg spinner is coming on to bowl.
Yes!
That's great fielding. That ball was flying.
Immediately underway with some runs.
Yep!
Right out of the middle.
Just perfection, a majestic shot. You just cannot hit it any better than that.
Yes!
That's out. Caught.
It's the sort of dismissal that sees the momentum swing back to the bowler. Gone, but not for many.
With the fall of that wicket, the new batter comes out to the crease.
Yeah, mate!
Great shot through the gap.
Well, that was just a little bit wide. Well picked up. Let the
Focus and get back to basics.
Yep! Yep!
Very quick out there, managing to stop it and preventing 4 runs.
Right there!
Just can't seem to get the ball away. That's the 3rd dot.
Catch!
Strokes it languidly away to the fence. A lovely shot.
Well, that was a really solid shot. Read the length early to get onto the front foot, and that raced away for 4.
Right on!
Doesn't beat the infield.
Yep!
Exquisitely done on the front foot. A gorgeous looking drive.
Yes, Dad!
Sounded good the moment it hit the bat.
There was minimal follow through, just great timing to punch it through the field for 4.
Always difficult to focus after what happened last ball, but you just got to stay positive and believe the wicket will come.
Yep.
Goes up And over for 6. That's the positive option.
That was a massive shot, middled, and it flew over the boundary. Brilliant stuff. Changed things around in the field.
Yeah, mate.
They've picked the gap. Perfect timing.
Ball is in.
A couple on offer here.
Got forward well and was able to drive the ball.
Yep.
Thick edge. Bowled him. Beauty. Absolute beauty.
A trudge back to the pavilion. A disappointing display in the end. For someone with such batting skills, this goes down as a fail.
62.
Lots of pressure coming.
Maybe they didn't pick it up. Very late on that.
Yes.
Got hold of it. A pretty good bouncer. Enough control to get it away.
Keep it.
A fantastic shot. Gets forward, head over the ball, and smashes that one.
Right on.
Collects that one. Simple as you like inside the ring.
Yes.
That's gone all the way. Right out of the middle.
They've attempted the slow ball, but that's been pounced on and hit high into the stands.
Yes.
Lovely shot. Good seam position, but overpitched and got what it deserved.
No trouble at all to punch it away to the boundary for 4.
Yep.
Great shot.
Fine placement and enough timing to get that ball away to the boundary.
Wow, that's missed the lot.
I'd say it was the right shot to choose, but it was just time back.
Big edge.
Yep.
Could that be out? Looks so.
An innings that promised much and really, in the end, delivered very little. Pretty disappointing, all
Runs on the board.
Yep.
Great shot.
really just seemed to have put that one into the slot with the first ball to the new batter. All the same, it's a glorious shot.
Yep. Yep.
Nice shot.
And that brings up a half century for this batsman.
That is an amazing half-century, just mammoth stroke making. Such an impressive stint at the crease so far.
A new bowler is coming into the attack.
Bowling, the captain is going with pace.
Misses everything. Huge shout. The bowler seems very confident with that one. Sri Lanka having a good chat. Don't know if it's worth using a review on it though.
just managed to get outside the line. That'll be not out.
Yes.
That's mistimed. It's gone high. Should be gone.
Barely seemed to hit it, and it's gone over the rope.
Loud shout.
The trudge back to the pavilion. A disappointing display in the end. For someone with such batting skills, this goes down as a fail.
Yep.
Massive edge.
The edge was so close to going to hand, they're fortunate to pick up their first runs.
Yes.
There'll be one run here for them.
Manipulating the field, asking questions of the opposition captain as they take a single.
Really playing all their shots that over. Really
Yep.
picks the gap perfectly.
Bowler.
Good return there, back from the deep.
Yep.
That's right out of the middle of the bat.
Fielders there in the covers, but they put it right into the gap. That's a beautiful shot.
Really happy with that last shot.
Yes.
Overstepping, just a little too eager on that delivery.
Always looking to cash in on a free hit. Up to the bowler to come up with something to prevent it happening.
Yeah, mate.
Huge edge. Hasaranga did very nicely out there on the boundary.
Yep.
Great shot, great timing.
You could see by how it whistled away to the boundary just how sweetly this was timed.
For 135.
Playing all their shots in that over. A very expensive over. Really good innings comes to an end.
Yep.
Times it nicely.
That really wasn't a great delivery, seen early, and it was dispatched with aplomb.
Catch.
Right in the slot, right where they like it. The ball races to the boundary.
Got their head right in line with the ball.
Yep.
Oh, there you go, a no ball. Maybe just trying a little too hard. Just need to get more control back.
Boundary off the last ball. What's to come off this delivery, I wonder?
Two in a row, just sloppy, really.
We've all been there. Nothing seems to be going right. All you can do is get your head down and remember the basics.
Big opportunity missed, an awful delivery that was just
Best bowler is coming into the attack.
Yep.
That's an unbelievable shot into the crowd.
That one they got hold of. The slower ball didn't work and it went all the way.
Right out of the middle.
Lovely shot, gets on the drive, just powers that over the boundary. Wonderful timing.
Hot delivery and move on from there.
Yep.
Time that brilliantly.
Well, that was just textbook. Finds the space and power to lift that ball over the top, and it just keeps going.
Oh, good ball. Catch it.
Sounded good the moment it hit the bat.
Well, it was hammered away, timed perfectly, and placed into the gap.
Yep.
That's going a long way. What a shot that is.
Solid partnership, 50 so far. Now it's time to really build a big score.
Yep.
Good bit of timing there.
That was just a massive shot. Middled it, and it flew over the boundary. Brilliant stuff.
Goes up and over for 6. That's the positive option.
Lovely shot. Gets on the drive and just powers that one over the boundary. Wonderful timing.
And put away.
Yep.
Got all of it and for 6.
Cracking shot for 6. Closing in on their half century and really looking good out there.
Yep. No!
A bit of a mix-up. They'll need to improve their communication.
Yep.
Hit that hard. Nailed it.
That was a massive shot, middled, and it flew over the boundary. Brilliant stuff.
Yep. Yep.
Good shot. It's found the gap.
It was a very, very good shot, presenting a straight bat, simple execution, and back past the bowler.
Tune. That's 2 boundaries in 2 balls.
Yep.
That's gone all the way, right out of the middle.
That's just silly. The power on that shot is incredible.
Yep.
Tucked it nicely into the gap. Pick up a single, rotate the strike.
End of a high-scoring over. Beautiful batting. Saitama is coming into the attack.
Yep.
Huge shot. That's a massive shot. Just incredible.
Off the front foot, hit it with all the power and elegance of a batter, right at the top of their game.
Ball on its merits.
Yep. Yep.
Flew away with pace. Brilliant timing.
That shot brings up the half century. Beautiful batting display, very solid.
Catch. Yep.
Lovely timing. Will this one go to the fence?
Onto the front foot early, placed it perfectly into the gap, timed it.
Yep. Yep.
Super piece of timing.
Just waited on it, got given a bit of width and launched it all the way.
It's ball right.
Catch. Up.
Oh my, that's racing away.
And that brings up the half century for this batsman.
Hard to stop them in this sort of form. It's a half century.
Catch. Yep. Yep.
Gone. It's a good catch.
That's a real shame. That was a brilliant innings.
I think pressure should definitely be on. Got right in behind it. Digs out the Yorker.
Unable to get the scoreboard moving.
Sixth over.
That's a brilliantly aggressive shot. Gets onto the front foot and it's flown over the boundary.
Can't bowl there. Too full and helped on its way.
Avoided the fielders, 1 bounce and 4. Fantastic shot.
Yep. Yep.
Oh my, that's just flown off the middle.
And that marks the end of the match. Sri Lanka complete a decisive victory in this match. Thank you very much. for joining us here for this match. Please take care.
A brilliant batting effort gets them home easily in the end. A fabulous all-round performance in what has been a dominant display.
Well, that was a really one-sided contest.